Disclaimer: viewer under the age of 18 should not consume any alcohol. This video is for educational purposes only. Don't drink and drive. House cats are one of the things that existed in this world and in my favorite reign. I spend lots of my time trying to locate one so I can pet them. I love them and they love me as well. But that's not the topic we're talking about today. Today we're talking about Heineken. I have 4 cans of Heineken here. We all know Heineken. If you don't, then I have no idea why you're still watching this video. It's basically that beer James Bond decided to drink other than his iconic dry martini. This boy gets sponsored, but I didn't. I'm just saying. In Taiwan, Heineken is popular, but it becomes another drink known as Heineken Green Tea, and that's what I'm making today. First, we need a bottle of Heineken. Then we need a bottle of passion fruit flavored green tea. If you can't find bottled ones, use passion fruit juice along with fruit flavored bottled green tea you can find on the market, or you can order it in your local bubble tea store. Prepare the Heineken and green tea by the proportion of 1 to 2. You can change how much Heineken you want to add into the mix, depends on how much you like alcohol. Mix well with ice and serves in a cup. Forgive me for not having ice, since I'm too lazy to bring a pack of ice into the house. And there you go, Heineken green tea. As simple as that. The green tea brings the refreshment out of, and the sweet will cancel out the bitterness of the beer. And now, surprisingly, I just read all those from a blog, and it's exactly how it tastes like. During the making of this, I actually came up with a lot of problems. For example, I couldn't find a more efficient way to remove the carbon dioxide in the beer. When I shake it, it leaked everywhere from my shaker. The second main problem is that any kind of tea that is not pre-sweetened are disgusting when I try to blend together. In conclusion, do remember to use pre-mixed passion fruit juice and pre-sweetened bottled tea. Also, you don't necessarily have to use Heineken. Any light lager should work the same. Well, that's just what I have tried. I hope you enjoy this. Good night.